Good morning, students. As you all know that now civics chapter 6 political party have introduced in last video. Today we'll discuss about the functions of political party. What does a political party do? Political party कौन कौन से functions को perform करती है, कौन कौन से काम करती है? Why do we need a political parties? Mainly, a political party perform two basic functions. First is it fill political offices. कितने पॉलिटिकल ऑफिस है बेटा हमारे यहाँ? प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पोस्ट है, प्रेसिडेंट की पोस्ट है, मिनिस्टर्स की पोस्ट है. ऑल दीज ऑफिस आर मेनली फिल्ड बाय द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. एंड आफ्टर फिलिंग द पॉलिटिकल ऑफिस दे ऑल्सो एक्सरसाइज द पॉलिटिकल पावर. ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पावर्स इन द कंट्री आर परफॉर्म और यूज or exercised by the political parties. So these are the basic functions. And ये जो basic functions की हम बात कर रहे हैं, these basic functions are performed by parties by a series of functions. These are the specific functions. First is parties contest elections. It is the primary function of the parties, but mainly parties contest the elections through their candidates. So elections are fought among the candidates. Different parties put their candidates in the elections. They nominate the candidates. Then there is a competition among these candidates or parties. But election is fought by these candidates on the party ticket. How the candidate is chosen by the parties? There are two different methods. In different countries, different methods are used. Example in USA and India. In USA, mainly the party members and supporters choose the candidates. I told you earlier that there are three components of party: leader, active members, and supporters or followers. In USA, members and supporters of the party choose the candidates. But in India, there is no role of the members and supporters in choosing the candidates. Top party leaders decide or choose the candidate who will fight the elections, who will contest the elections. So this function is performed by the political parties. Then parties put forward different policies and programs. Different parties are having different opinions. They are different approach. All parties share their approach and policies through the election campaigning, election manifesto. What they will do after they decide all their policies, they tell the people their policies. If their government will form, what they will do in the country, in the state. Then voters choose from them. जिस पार्टी की पॉलिसीज और प्रोग्राम वोटर्स को अच्छे लगते हैं, पार्टी उसे वोटर्स गिव द वोट टू दैट पार्टी. इट मीन्स वोटर्स आर हैविंग फेथ इन द पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम ऑफ दैट पार्टी. It means party reduce a vast multitude of opinions into a few basic positions which it supports. If there are no parties, then there are so many opinions will be in the society. There are mainly 6 to 10 parties in the elections. People are divided into only 9 to 10 opinions. So they help in reduce the vast multitude of opinions. Only limited multitudes are there because of parties. Next is a government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party. The party which get the majority of votes win the elections, and we expect that government, हम जिस पार्टी को हमने ज़्यादातर लोगों ने वोट दिया है, after winning the election, after making the government, that party will follow the policies which were decided by the ruling party, which were promised by the ruling party in the election manifesto. Third function is parties play an important role. Decisive means important role in making law for a country. We know very well that all the bills are first of all introduced in parliament. When bills are passed by the both houses of parliament, then president give assent to them, give the signature, do the signature on them, then bill become a law. Though all law are debated and passed in the legislature, स्टेट लेवल हो गवर्नमेंट हो या सेंट्रल लेवल पार्लियामेंट के अंदर, जितने बिल होते हैं पहले लॉ होते हैं, पहले डिबेट होते हैं पार्लियामेंट में, डिस्कस होते हैं, उसके बाद वो मेजोरिटी से पास हो पाते हैं. And all the members of parliament or state legislature who are participating in the debate and discussions and deliberations, they all are directly indirectly member of the party. But while voting on a bill, all member go by direction of the rule party leadership. जो पार्टी में नेता चाहते हैं, टॉप लीडर्स चाहते हैं, उस डायरेक्शन को फॉलो करते हैं सारे मेंबर्स, irrespective of their personal opinion. Members mainly cannot go with their personal opinions. जो पार्टी चाहती है उसके फेवर में वो लोग बोलते हैं. Fourth function, parties form and run the government. We all know that the party which get the majority of votes, the person get declare winner candidates. The party which get the maximum seats, majority of seats, the party which get the majority in the legislature form the government. Then party recruit the leaders. Who will the party leader will become the chief minister or prime minister. Then who will be the other ministers. So party train them also. Then make them minister to run the government. These are the mainly. So party first of all form the government. Then party run the government through the ministers, which are trained by the party, which are recruited by the party. Next is fifth function is role of oppositions. The party which lose the elections, such parties are known as opposition parties. These parties play a important role. They criticize the government for its failure, for wrong policies. जब भी पार्टी रॉन्ग पॉलिसीज करती है, अभी कोरोना केस चल रहा है, आप देख रहे हो बेटा, समटाइम राहुल गांधी और ममता बनर्जी और पार्टीज भी गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी क्रिटिसाइज करती है कि पार्टी ने ये, सरकार ने इस कदम नहीं उठाए, कुछ कहते लॉकडाउन होना चाहिए था, कुछ कहते लॉकडाउन नहीं होना चाहिए था. सो दे क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट्स. दे ऑल्सो मोबिलाइज द अपोजिशन टू द गवर्नमेंट रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट पार्टी के अगेंस्ट जितनी भी पार्टी है उनको इकट्ठा करके पार्टी को, रूलिंग पार्टी, दे ट्राई टू अपोज द रूलिंग पार्टी. बाय दिस अपोजिशंस, ruling party have a fear of oppositions or criticism. Ruling party cannot be use the powers in unlimited manner. So they keep a check on the ruling party. Sixth one is parties shape public opinion. Mostly party raise and highlight issues. The issues, which issues are the issues which are mainly facing by the common people. They raise the problems of the common citizens. They launch movements for the resolution of problem faced by people in the country or state. Mainly पार्टी बहुत से मूवमेंट चलाती हैं जिन प्रॉब्लम से आम जनता परेशान है, जनता तक, सरकार तक उनको पहुंचाने को, सॉल्व कराने के लिए. दे लॉन्च द मूवमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो दे लॉन्च मूवमेंट्स. Sometimes political parties as an extension make the pressure groups. Different parties के अपने अपने pressure groups है among the societies. बीजेपी का ABP, बहुत सी इश्यूज पर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बीजेपी खुद नहीं बोल पाती है, अपने ABP ग्रुप के थ्रू बोल पाते हैं, उन इश्यूज को उठवाते हैं, मूवमेंट चलाते हैं. Parties provide people access to government machineries and welfare scheme implemented by government. There are so many schemes, welfare schemes are started by government to help the peoples. Then parties try to provide all these facilities and all machineries to the common people, which are implemented by the governments. They try to reach the people at the lowest level, because it is the duty of the parties to respond to the people's need and demands. Because for an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach a leader, political leader in our neighbor than a government officer. And it is all these functions performed by parties. Mainly government also seek for the help of their parties. All these functions are performed by the political parties. There 7 functions are there. Go through them from the NCERT book also, beta. That's all for today.